my channel and welcome to a weekly-ish vlog. Today I'm gonna do some homey stuff, and tomorrow I'm going up to Manchester. I've never been to Manchester before, so I'm really excited. But I'm going up with Primark because they're doing, they've set up a Friends themed cafe, which is really cool. And over the last week I've been binge watching loads of old Friends episodes and I've been enjoying that. So I'm going up tomorrow, but today I need to do some packing, some cleaning, and a few homey things. Oh, I want to show you my rug. Okay, let me show you my rug. I just put this rug down because this area in my bedroom is really high traffic and I just walk over here a lot. I really don't want to damage the carpet, so I found this rug. If it looks familiar, it's because it's the exact same rug I have downstairs, but instead of being black and white, it's like beigey grey and white. And just like the other one, I found it on sale for £32. I just put it down and let me know what you think. Does it go? I think it goes with the room. I just kind of want to protect the carpet a bit, you know? Also, something else that I've done in the house recently, you might have seen in my last video, but I want to show you because it looks really cool, so I want to talk about it. It's in the bathroom. Bum, 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 bum. So this shelf was something I made in my hack video recently, and I've put it up on the bathroom wall, but also I decluttered and gave the sink area a good tidy up. So I know this was in a video, but I just wanted to show you guys because I'm so pleased with it. Sometimes I'll make a DIY and perhaps I don't have anywhere to put it, but this one is perfect for the bathroom because now I have my everyday products and things I reach for once in a while. And I like that it's got black on the sides because it kind of ties in a little bit with my bath mat and the toilet roll holder. I had to get one that stands up because this wall right here this is a very crumbly wall and I cannot get a toilet roll holder to stay in it for the life of me. I need to patch that still. It's been a while, but I will do that at some point. Morning guys, it's the next day and I'm just getting ready to leave. I'm gonna go and catch a train and then head over to Manchester. It's gonna be a really long journey, so I've put my comfiest clothes on. This is my pile of stuff to take, so I better get a move on. I've made it to Manchester and I'm so happy to be at the hotel, and I'm gonna put my feet up for a little bit and then I think we're going out for dinner later. The lovely team at Primark left me some super cute Friends goodies and I can't wait to have a look. But I did see these. These pins make me so happy because this one says Joey doesn't share food, and that might just be the most iconic phrase from the whole series. Oh my gosh, I already have this in grey from Primark a few years ago, but I can't find it. I was looking for it to bring on this trip. So I am very excited to get bundled up in this later. I have just touched up my makeup and I'm ready to go. I feel like this dress looks a bit like I'm wearing like a satin dressing gown with some kind of like lacy pajamas underneath. It's gonna have to do because it's all I have with me. So I've got shoes rather than slippers, so I guess it looks like a dress, right? Right. Anyway, I'm gonna head out and I'll see you guys later. Also, how good is this mirror? Hold on. It's not gonna do. Oh, look at that. You just, amazing. No. That selfie lighting though. I need one of these. And just like that, I'm back from dinner. It was so good. I had a lovely salad. Now I'm gonna take my makeup off and do a little bit of editing, and I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Very important part of my night routine. Oh. Hi guys, so I've made it to the Friends Cafe and it looks so cute in here. It's actually really, really big. We've got some coffees and some cake. It's 7 in the morning, so I really, really need a coffee, but it's adorable in here. There we go. Hi! Hi Mum! We've just taken some pictures and now we're going to go and get some food because we are starving. It's early. It's very early. We got up at like 5:40 something this morning, but it's worth it. This cake is amazing. So good. It's so good. So we've just finished our coffees and we've had some cake and we're gonna have a little look around Primark and do some shopping, but I'm having a great time. And look at all this cute Friends themed stuff. What's this? How are you doing? We've spotted the home section. Oh, I want one of these. I'm not gonna be able to take that all the way back to the Isle of Wight. That is so nice. This whole £8. I have so many cushions. You can have another one. It's fine. So it's a little bit later now, and by a little bit later I mean it's actually the next morning. I did try and recap this and sign off yesterday, but Manchester is very noisy. So I finished. Stop. But I just wanted to jump in and kind of talk a bit about the event and show you guys some of the stuff, because I ended up going to Primark last night and picking up a few things, so I'm going to show you really quickly. But the event itself was so much fun. I don't tend to go to like blogger events very much because A, I live in a really awkward place, and B, I'm a bit of a hermit and I'm kind of shy and it takes me a while to open up to people, so I feel a little bit like overwhelmed when I'm around loads of people I've never met before. But I feel like I should go to these things more often, and the girls were so lovely. Leanne and Haz was so nice to meet, and I didn't actually get much footage at the event. I realized I got lots of footage of the cafe and a lot of footage of the floor and me talking or laughing or having a conversation in the background. I am new to this vlogging thing. I promise you guys, fingers crossed, that I will get better at it. But yeah, everyone was so nice, and the ladies from Primark were incredible. And a bit about the cafe. So if you're a big Friends fan, you'll probably love this. It's basically Central Perk, but it's in the back of Primark in Manchester, and it's actually quite big. I thought it was just gonna be a small pop-up with the couch, but it was huge. I went back last night and it was buzzing. There were loads of people in there last night as well, and they do like coffees, cake, salads, sandwiches. So if you're looking for a bite to eat and you're in Manchester, it's a really good affordable place to have a bite to eat, but it's also an experience because you can take pictures on the couch and there's loads of props and things in there. So it actually does feel a lot like Central Perk. And like I said, I did go back to Primark last night and I did a little bit of shopping, just a smidge. Just in the interest of full disclosure, the team at Primark were really kind enough to give us a gift card, so I used the gift card and then some of my own money to purchase these bits, just so you guys know. But let me show you what I got, because I got a few things, and yeah, mini haul. So the first thing I got was actually a suitcase, not only because my suitcase that I brought with me is too small and it looks like it's about to burst, but I've been eyeing up this suitcase for a while, and they do these in Primark. They're really light. Ugh, it's full of stuff, so it's not actually that light anymore. £45, which I think is a very decent price for such a big suitcase, and I'm really excited to have a suitcase that has 4 wheels that actually rolls. So inside the suitcase, I have a few bits. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is these mama jeans, whatever you want to call them. Primark do the best version of these jeans ever. I have them in a few colors. I have them in the dark blue, but they were getting a bit big, so I picked them up in a smaller size in the greyish black color. If you're looking for a good pair of mom jeans, I definitely recommend the Primark ones. They're a really nice, thick, sturdy fabric, and they just feel like vintage jeans. I might go back later today and get them in the acid wash color, but I'll see if I've got space in my suitcase. I picked up a pink t-shirt dress. This was £8. I really like t-shirt dresses, oversized t-shirts, and just baggy clothes at the moment. I picked up 2 pairs of joggers. I've got them in a green and I've got them in a black, and these I think were £8, and they're just kind of slouchy at the top but tapered at the bottom, and I really like wearing these kind of dressed up with something nicer on top if I want to go out, or just wearing them at home. I really like comfortable slouchy clothes at the moment, what can I say? Also, I picked up this hoodie. This was £8. It's just like a pink ribbed cropped hoodie. It's really nice and thin as well, and the sleeves are long, which is, it just ticks every box of everything I want in a hoodie basically. And lastly, I picked up this skirt. Hold on, how can I show you this without exposing myself? I don't think you can see it very well, but it's just a checked skirt. So that's everything I ended up getting at Primark. It's just a little mini haul. And yeah, I've had such a good week. I've really enjoyed vlogging, so I feel like I'm kind of coming out of my shell with vlogging a little bit more. I just feel so awkward when I do it in public, and when I'm at home I feel like I'm not doing anything interesting. And that's, I think, everything for today's video, because it's probably getting very, very long. So I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great week, and goodbye.